Here's a sample problem for quadrilaterals. The side of a square is x meters. The midpoints of each sides are joined to form another square whose area is 16 meters squared. They are asked to find the value of x and the area of the portion of the bigger square that is outside the smallest square. So, as what you can see in the figure, the representation, the bigger square is in color blue, and through its midpoint, a smaller square is formed, which is in color pink. The side of the bigger square is considered as x meter long, and we have labeled there the side of the smaller square is y. And for further solution later, it is represented that triangle ABC is formed in the upper left corner of the bigger square. And note that B to C is equal to x over 2, as C is the midpoint of the top side of the bigger square. It is the same as B to A, which is also equal to x over 2, as A is the midpoint of the left side of the bigger square. For solution, let us list the givens. These are the side of the bigger square, which is a small a subscript b equal to x. Then, the area of smaller square, capital A subscript s equal to 16 meters squared. Then, side of the smallest square, small letter a subscript s equal to y. And the values to find are x and a, which is the area of the portion of the bigger square that is outside the smaller square. To solve for y, use the area formula of a square, which is a is equal to a squared. And based on the given, to solve for the area of the smaller square, we will have a subscript s equal to small a subscript s squared, or the small a subscript s is equal to y. So therefore, a area of the smaller square is equal to y squared, or 16m squared is equal to y squared, which gives us y is equal to 4 meters. Next is to consider triangle ABC. And by Pythagorean theorem, we get c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared, or we have 4 squared coming from the value of our y equal to x over 2 squared, which is the value of b to c, plus x over 2 squared, which is the value of b to a, which is equal to 16 equals 2 times x over 2 squared. Or by transposition, we have 16 times 4 over 2 is equal to x squared. Solving for x, we get x is equal to square root of 32, or x is equal to 4 square root of 2, which means x is equal to 5.66 meters into decimal places. To solve for a, which is the area of the portion of the bigger square that is outside the smaller square, simply solve the difference of the area between the bigger square, which is 32 meters squared, and the smaller square, which is 16 meters squared. Therefore, a is equal to 32 minus 16 gives us 16 meters squared.